Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I am Jennifer with Clean Eating Plant Style. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. It's a what I ate today on a whole food plant-based Nutritarian lifestyle. I made spring rolls and corn on the cob for my first meal of the day. I used these spring roll wrappers and stuffed them with shredded purple cabbage, spinach, sliced bell pepper, a half an avocado, and one large purple carrot. I also made a dipping sauce that had one juiced mandarin orange, a half a tablespoon of peanut butter, and a quarter teaspoon of liquid aminos. I stirred that together really well in that little bowl. And here is the final product. It is too pretty, almost too pretty to eat. I left the ends open because the carrots were a little bit too long and it was just a lot of vegetables to stuff in there. I also ended up pouring some of that sauce into each bite because it was a little bit too liquidy, but look at that. I mean, all the colors of the rainbow. Now for my corn on the cob, this is super simple. Get your corn on the cob. You want a lime and some nutritional yeast. You're going to boil the corn on the cob for about 10 minutes. Then you're going to cut that lime in half and squeeze it all over that corn. You can even kind of push it into it a little bit, make sure every little crevice gets some of that on there, and sprinkle nutritional yeast. Super simple, super delicious. While I was in the kitchen, I also prepped my greens for this week. We have dinosaur kale here. I also prepped some curly kale, and here's how I have it packaged for in the refrigerator. That is my dinosaur kale, and I'm showing you my curly kale there. I also reuse those plastic bags too, and then I use the paper towels in there to keep the moisture down. I also soaked my beans for my chili. I have red kidney beans and pinto beans. I cooked the beans in the pressure cooker first, then I rinsed those, and then I basically just put a bunch of things from the refrigerator. I was kind of cleaning that out, put that all into the pressure cooker, and I'm calling this kind of a creamy chili because I took a portion of that out after it was done cooking, put it into the blender, added some soaked nuts, nutritional yeast, a little bit of non-dairy milk, and lime juice. Then I poured that all back into the pressure cooker, and I ate about a bowl and a half of that. After that, about 8:30 or so, I ended up having about half of this bottle of the Kavita, I don't know if that's how you say it, sparkling probiotic drink. It was delicious and the perfect day. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks.